Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make your own hamburger buns. The process is so simple and the results so delicious that you'll never buy buns again. Keep it locked here and learn the secret to making buns. To mold the dough, you're basically going to pull the dough to one side and then pinch the seams closed. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be a ball. Be sure you properly pinch those seams. Once you've rolled the dough into balls, you're just going to place them on the tray and flatten them into discs. The slider buns will be half the size of the hamburger buns, so you can measure those into 50-gram pieces. And they go through the same method of rolling and flattening into discs. For the second rise, you're going to loosely cover the buns. That way, when they rise, they don't meet any resistance from the plastic wrap. important to gently brush the buns with egg wash. These can easily deflate, so you want to use a very feathery touch. This is entirely optional, but I added sesame seeds to the top of half the buns. Another beautiful part of making your own. You can tailor it to however you want. These will be a nice honey brown color when they're done. Are you tempted yet? I'll tell you, these are so good they don't even need the burger. Once you've given them at least 30 minutes to cool down, then you can cut into them. I think it's about time to fire up that grill. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I promise you won't regret it. You can have burgers all year round. This is definitely one for your arsenal. If you like this content and you want to see more videos, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!